Picture this. Your team is hard at work, but every document looks and feels different. Different styles, formats, and levels of detail can lead to unclear communication and wasted time. Not every team member possesses the same skills or attention to detail when it comes to documentation. Introducing the Hitachi Document Agent. This is your solution to achieving uniformity without stifling creativity. With a range of customizable templates, your team can create anything from functional documents to technical documents, all while keeping your company's branding front and center. It's flexibility at its best, ensuring everyone's on the same page, literally. And we know that security matters just as much as style. Our document agent is hosted on your own tenant, ensuring your data is as secure as a vault and compliant with all necessary regulations. You have full control right where you need it. Let's see how the document agent works. We begin by creating a new project. All documents are stored in separate projects to prevent information from leaking from one document to another. First, we provide a basic name and description for the document. The user is presented with a list of pre-trained templates tailored to various document needs. For this demo, let's start with a functional document. Once we select the type of document, the agent prompts us with a SharePoint link where we can upload any relevant files. This allows us to store these files as part of our knowledge base. The agent also provides a customizable form that the user can fill out based on the type of document they want to create. After entering the necessary information, the agent rolls out a draft, which you can modify simply by instructing the agent. The interface makes it easy to add, change, or remove sections to get everything just right. Once we're happy with the draft, we can command the agent to convert it to Word format. The agent will then transform our draft into a professional-looking document that adheres to your brand identity. And that's not all. The Hitachi Document Agent can also create the same document in multiple languages, ensuring global consistency and effective communication across diverse teams. With the Hitachi Document Agent, creating high-quality, standardized documentation has never been easier.